team. Peter here. I wanted to take a chance during Global Safety Week to talk to you about some of the great work that's occurred over the last few years, and particularly the last 2 years as we've had to face the challenge of COVID as well. When I first joined the organisation 4 years ago, our safety culture across Keller was fantastic, but we still had a high rate of incidents, we had different severity of incidents, and we weren't really treating safety in the same way. What I have seen happen over the last 4 years, with great focus in this last 2 years, is us really coming together, taking a very consistent approach as the expectations of the organisation, the expectations of management, and the expectations of our clients have been more clearly communicated, and it's made us easier to use our best practices, our knowledge, our training tools and mechanisms to come up with greater outcomes. But all of that requires a lot of individuals, every individual in the organisation working together, taking safety seriously, understanding their obligations not only to themselves but to their workmates and to the communities that we work in, and striving for greater outcomes. I'm very pleased to be able to announce that as of February 2022 we achieved the magic milestone of AFR 0 across the AMEA Division. Our last incident that significantly hurt somebody occurred in Australia back in February of 2021, and since that time we have been able to keep all of our people safe. That requires a great deal of attention to detail, focus, training and execution by all of our teams. So I thank you very much for that. I guess it would also be pertinent to talk about what we've achieved in relation to COVID over the last 2 years. Obviously, it created great challenges for our people in terms of being able to move around, challenges on site in terms of not always being able to have the same consistent teams, and the challenges of vaccination as that rolled out across the organisation, as it rolled out across many of the countries we've worked in at different rates, and also their supply chain and the people we interface with and their approaches to COVID. You have done an exemplary job of getting our people safe, looking after them, getting them vaccinated, and will allow us to continue our operations in a safe, effective and client-compliant way. So I think of all we've achieved puts us in a very good future looking forward, but it could all come undone so easily if we take our eye off the ball, if we get complacent, if we start to think that this is the new normal. Safety is one of those very big challenges. When you get your results, when your outcomes are good, and a bit like quality, if you don't have incidents, if you don't have errors, you start to wonder, can I ease up a bit? Good results are the absence of bad situations arising. And what I've always found in all of my career, the bad luck happens to people who are badly organised. People who are very well organised, who take these challenges seriously. So come on, across AMEA, let's continue to be well organised, and then hopefully we'll continue to be lucky. Have a great safety week, everybody. Thank you.